Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you the puff pastry recipe. With that we make a chouquette today. First I put on a pan water, salt, sugar and butter. I put this on a fire and I need to be boiled. When your recipe boil like this, you can stop the fire and you add flour. And you mix. When you add your flour and it's mixed well like this, you put again on the fire for like 30 seconds. Okay, I make that for need to be the puff pastry is a little bit more dry. And after that, we put the mix on a bowl and we add the eggs. You put that on a bowl. You mix a little bit like this for 30 seconds. Okay, now for this recipe you need to have 5 eggs and put one by one. Now I already put my 5 eggs, but I see the dough is a little bit too hard. Depends how much time you mix on the fire with the flour. And I add 1 egg, okay? It's why you need to put the eggs one by one. After 6 eggs, my dough is ready. If you can see the texture. Okay, for this recipe depend, but it's around 5 to 7 eggs maximum. And now I put on the pastry bag and I pop the small ball. Like this. When my tray is ready, I put grain sugar on the top. And now it's ready to cook. 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. When you see the color is like this, it's fine, you can take out from the oven and enjoy.